As the facts and circumstances and the relief claimed in the above OAs are the same, they are being disposed of by this common order. Para. The applicants are assistant engineers, civil, electrical in the Central Public Works Department CPWD and have challenged the order of the respondents dated 25/6/2008, transferring them from the northern region to other regions, and also order dated 17/8/2008, rejecting their representations in this regard. Para. The brief history of the matter leading up to the transfer of the applicants is as follows. Para. The respondents vied their OM dated 2/3/2008 and subsequent corrigendum dated 13/3/2008 had issued guidelines for inter-regional transfer posting of assistant engineers, civil and electrical in CPWD. Para. The inter-regional transfer posting committee constituted for the purpose of making inter-regional transfers postings met on 15/6/2008 and reviewed the cases of the assistant engineers, civil and electrical who were to be considered for transfer and their representations in the matter, and made recommendations for transfer, on the basis of which the respondents issued the office order number 103/2006 and office order number 104/2006 dated 13/5/2008. Para. 34 AEs working in the CPWD who had been transferred by the above order filed OA number 1835/2006 Shri Ram Kishore Malik versus Union of India and others before this tribunal, challenging the transfer policy guidelines contained in OM dated 17/4/2006 and corrigendum dated 13/3/2006, but the same was dismissed by a division bench of this tribunal vide its order dated 15/6/2008, holding that they found no illegality in the guidelines in para 21 of the order. The tribunal had also observed as follows. Counsel for the applicant had submitted that generally the children of officers between the age group of 45 to 50 years are school going. Therefore, they should not be disturbed from northern region. Such cases cannot be decided by making general statements. We are sure if any officer is being posted to other region during the mid session of his school going child and the officer gives a representation, the respondents would consider his request for deferring the transfer till the end of the session so that the education of child does not suffer. Thereafter, the hard case committee of the respondents under the chairmanship of Additional Director General Border met on 13/6/2008 and noting the above observation of the tribunal in para 21 sought clarifications with regard to the following issues: counting of date of officers returning from hard area, other area region, retention of officers whose children are studying in schools, and posting of officers whose spouses are working in government offices PSUs. Para. In response, the competent authority clarified these issues as under wide OM dated 11/7/2008 and also made amendments to this effect in the guidelines dated 3/3/2008. In case of officers returning from hard area, stay in the region shall be counted from the date of return from the hard area. Similar condition shall apply for those coming on inter-regional transfer from another region. 1 year retention may be granted to those officers whose children are studying in class 12th. In case of working spouse, the case may be dealt with as per DOPT guidelines. Stop.